So I'm going to tell you about mathematical function. The first function is ABS, also called absolute value. It returns the absolute value of the number ABS bracket start. For example, this is minus 87 879 point something. Press enter, so it will shows the positive number here. In the similar way, you can go with the formula and mathematical function. ABS is the first function, so likewise I have selected this one equal to this. So this will return the absolute value. Now exp function return a raised to power of the number. The constant it is based upon natural logarithm, so equal to exp bracket start. I want this number, bracket close, enter, likewise. And then you can apply it from the mathematical function also. Equal to ln function return the natural logarithm of any number. Natural logarithm is based upon the constant e 2.7182 for ln bracket start. I want the ln of this, bracket close, enter. Equal to ln bracket start. For example, this. So we have to take the positive number into that, and then I'm going to tell you about the square root. Equal to, you can go with the square root sqrt bracket start. For example, this number, bracket close, enter. It will show the square root of 4 equal to 2. In the similar way, you can go to the mathematical function. Under the mathematical function, you can count you can calculate square root sqrt like this. So it will ask you the number. For example, you are choosing 12. Okay, so it will show the square root of 12. And sum is also come under the mathematical function. You know that sum bracket start, you can sum anything. For example, this one, bracket close, enter. Sum if is the similar, like you are giving some condition. For example, sum if bracket start, for example, you are taking English marks, select the range, comma, you are writing here more than 70, only sum if only more than 70, bracket start, bracket close, enter. So whosoever number has more than 70, that will be added in this. Or you can give any criteria. For example, equal to sum if bracket start, this cell is greater than 1000, bracket close. So no cell is in this area, there is no cell which is more than 1000, so it has not sum anything, so it return the value of 0, F2. You can see I have selected this range. There is less than 1000 range, so it has not selected any range and it has not sum, so you can give any condition. Now other mathematical function are like trunc. So the trunc function translate the number of an integer by removing the fraction part of the any number, equal to trunc bracket start, this is the fraction number, enter. So it has removed the fraction part. Likewise, if I'll take this another number trunc bracket start, this number for example, it is not in the minus, still it has given in the, still it will give the value without decimal. So likewise, so then I'm going to tell you about random number. For random number we are using rand function, rand equal to, if I want to increase the width of the cell, equal to rand bracket start, it will give the number between 0 to 1, any random number. Sometime it has comes in maximum time in the fractions, like this. If you drag this one, it always come between 0 to 10, but you don't want the number should come into 0 to 10. So if you want to increase the more than 10 to 100, between 10 to 100, so what will you do, equal to rand bracket start this into 100, so it will return you the value between 0 to 10 but less than 100. So likewise, you can I just want to I want to tell you one thing here. If you are drag every time, the number will change, it will change the row. So if you want to fix it up, so you just pressing F9 after this, so it will make it constant. Then this is the random number. If we talk about rand between, if we want that the number should come in within this range, so rand between, rand between equal to rand between bracket start. So you have to give the bottom as well as top. So it will ask you the bottom number, for example between 22 and top should be 90, so it will give the random number between 20 to 90, maximum less than 90 and more than 20. So likewise, so you can drag it, it's depend upon you how many numbers you want randomly. So likewise, so I'm changing this color. So these are the mathematical function, and some other mathematical function like round, round up, round down. These are used for decimal number, equal to round off, round equal to, for example this is the number, I want to round it, it will ask you up to how many digit you want to round up, for example 0. So it has removed all the decimal after, so it has not given any number after decimals because I have written 0. For example, I wrote it here 1, so it will give up to 1 place, so it will show you the result 99,987.3, enter, like. So if you want to round down, round up, so similarly equal to round up, round down, so it will round the number next to the particular number, it will down. For example, I want to down for 2 digits, so the last digit whatsoever, it will take that one only, it will take for 2 numbers after decimal and up to 3 4. So it has not increased 0.35 because it has round down. If it is round up, then it become 0.35, because as you know in the mathematics, after 0.5 it will increase the number, but it will happen only when we are doing round up. If we are doing round down, the similar will take whatsoever it is. For example, the round up equal to same thing, I'll take that round up, bracket start, this is the number, and I'm just writing 2 only, so it will increase to 3.35 because 4.5, so it increased by 1, so this is 3.51. And similarly this thing has been done, and you can do it from the mathematical function also.